Hello guys, I'm Meetsoni. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have two really good software engineering opportunities. One is a remote SD internship with a 30,000 rupees per month stipend, and another one is a member technical role at Broadridge Financial Solutions for freshers and 0 to 1 year of experienced candidates. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is Aalteon and they are hiring for the role of SD intern. This one is open for undergraduate, postgraduate, and engineering students, and this is completely remote. The stipend is around 30,000 rupees per month, and the duration of internship is 1 year. So, this is particularly interesting internship because it's not just a short 1 to 2 month of internship, which means you will get more time to actually work on software development and understand how professional development works. Now, let's understand what you will actually work on. Alton says the internship will give you hands-on experience across software development lifecycle, so you won't be just writing small pieces of code. You will get exposure to different stages of software development, starting from understanding requirements and going all the way to implementation and deployment. Your main programming languages here will include Python and Java. Your responsibilities include assisting with the design, development, and implementation of software applications. In simple terms, you will work with the development team to actually build software rather than just observe how seniors developers work. You will also write clean, efficient, and well documented code using Python and Java. So that's important because professional development is not only about making your code work, you also need to make sure the code is reliable, maintainable, and follows standards used by engineering team. Another major part of this internship is exposure to the software development lifecycle. You will participate in activities such as understanding requirements, development, testing, and deployment. So you will also collaborate with senior engineers. Coming to the technical skills, they are looking for Python, Java, understanding of SDLC. They value problem solving, teamwork, and collaboration. So you don't need an extremely complicated technology stack for this internship. The important thing is having a strong programming foundation and being comfortable learning. Now let's talk about the eligibility. The internship is open to undergraduate, postgraduate, and engineering students. So if you are currently pursuing your degree and looking for a serious long-term internship experience, this is definitely worth checking out. And there are some additional benefits mentioned as well. The internship may provide a job offer in future. Now let's move to the second opportunity, and this one is from Broadridge Financial Solutions, and they are hiring for the role of member technical. The experience requirement is 0 to 1 year. Location is Hyderabad, and this is a full-time in-office role. So compared to the first opportunity, this one is full-time software development role rather than an internship. Now let's understand what you will actually do. The role focuses heavily on front-end development using ReactJS. You will work under the guidance of senior engineers and contribute to different stages of the software development lifecycle. One of your main responsibility will be writing clean, maintainable, and reusable code. You will also develop and enhance front-end features using React.js. So, if React is already part of your skill set, this is a role that aligns directly with what you will actually be doing. This means you will be working with an engineering team where your work contributes to actual project requirement. This is important because developers don't simply receive code and start implementing it. You will also collaborate with project owners and other team members to understand requirements. The role also includes coding, unit testing, debugging, and deployment support. So, again, you are getting exposure to more than just one front end code. You will write the feature, test it, debug it, and support the deployment process. You will also participate in code reviews. Senior engineers will review your implementation, provide feedback, and you will expect it to incorporate that feedback into your code. The documentation is another part of development workflows. You will also share progress updates with team leads and stakeholders. That means communication is part of your job as well. Now let's look at the technical skills. The primary skill here is React.js, but the listing also mentions Node.js, JavaScript, data structures, OOPS, RDBMS, SQL, and other software engineering fundamentals. So, although the role is primarily focused on front-end development, they expect candidates to have a broader software engineering foundation. If you know React and JavaScript, but also understand data structures, database, SQL, and basic programming concepts, your profile become much more relevant. Now, let's talk about the eligibility. The listing does not specify a particular degree requirement, but it clearly mentions that freshers and recent graduates are welcome. The experience range is 0 to 1 year. The work environment is in office in Hyderabad and follows a 5 working days schedule. Now, if you compare both opportunities, Alteon is an internship and second one is a full-time role. The first one is completely remote and second one is in office in Hyderabad. First one offers a stipend with a 1 year of secured internship. Aalteon is more focused for students interested in Java and Python, but the second one is especially for front-end developers. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.